Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo. If the monitor stand you receive seems to have a loose rotation joint that turns very easily, or if it doesn't hold its full supported weight and the tilt joint, then the tilt bracket may need to be replaced. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that. To remove the original tilt bracket assembly, take out the bolt on top of the swivel joint. The bracket will then slip off from the arm, and the plastic washers may fall off when you do this. So next, while holding the plastic washers in place on the arm, take the new tilt bracket, slip that in place, insert the bolt through the top, and tighten it with the Allen wrench. And with the new tilt bracket in place, your stand will be ready to use. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to contact our customer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.